In this video, you'll learn how to set up lead scoring in Zoho Marketing Automation. By the end of this guide, you will be able to create scoring rules that help quantify your leads based on their interactions. And begin by navigating to the Zoho CRM homepage. Open your web browser and go to the Zoho CRM login page. Once there, enter your credentials and log in. After logging in, you will see the dashboard with various options available on the left sidebar. Next, locate and click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol in the top right corner of the screen. This action will take you to the settings menu where you can configure various options for your account. After that, look for the scoring rules option within the settings menu. Click on it to access the scoring rules interface. This is where you will manage and create new scoring rules for your leads. Once this appears, you may see existing scoring rules listed. To create a new scoring rule button, usually located at the top of the scoring rules list, this will open up a new section for defining your scoring criteria. At this point, you will see a prompt to create scoring rule. This section allows you to define the parameters of your scoring system. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout before proceeding. Next, click on the name field to give your scoring rule a title. This name should be descriptive enough to help you identify the rule later. After clicking, simply type in the desired name for your scoring rule. Following this, click on the Type drop-down menu. This option allows you to select the nature of the scoring rule you are creating. Choose the appropriate type that aligns with your scoring strategy. After selecting the type, click on ZScore from the available options. This choice integrates artificial intelligence into your scoring process, enhancing lead evaluation based on predictive analytics. Next, click on Module to choose the specific module related to your scoring rule. This step is crucial as it determines how the scoring will be applied within your CRM. After that, click on Select Module to display a list of modules. From this list, choose the Leads module, as this is where you want the scoring rules to apply. Once you select Leads, proceed by clicking on Layout. This option allows you to organize how the scoring will be implemented within the lead records. Now click on None when prompted, indicating that you do not want to apply any specific layout at this moment. This step is often necessary for setting up. Next, click on Standard to apply a standard scoring framework to your leads. This option will set a baseline for how scores are assigned based on interactions. Following this, click on Next to proceed to the next stage of the scoring rule setup. This action will take you to a screen where you can define what metrics you want to. At this stage, a message will prompt you with the question, what would you like to measure for leads? This is where you will specify the criteria for scoring your leads. Click on None in the measurement options to indicate that you are not setting a specific measurement at this point. This choice allows for a more flexible scoring system. Next, click on Field Attribute Score to set specific scores for various lead attributes. This step is essential for defining how different fields will influence the overall lead score. Finally, click on Save to complete the creation of your scoring rule. After saving, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your new scoring rule has been successfully created. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial